The skills that I've been learning in this program range from relaxation, Swedish style massage, to like sports style massage, more advanced pain reducing styles. So I love that I can help people both relax but also make true pain reduction in their bodies. If somebody is looking into this program, I would really encourage them to choose this program if they want to be really well educated with a lot of exposure to different styles of massage, especially if they want to focus on helping people reduce pain. This program just goes above and beyond. I mean, relaxation is of course a core part of our program, but we really dive deep beyond it. Professors in our program are, first of all, brilliant at what they do. I mean, they really know the human body, they really know therapeutic massage. But what I really appreciate about them is that they're very hands-on at teaching you how to become a great therapist one day. I'm excited that I'm going to be graduated with a really in-depth knowledge on how the human body works, how to truly help people reduce people's pain. I just feel very well equipped to go out into the workforce, and honestly, I feel extremely well trained.